What if the real cause of your hair thinning isn't aging or genetics, but a quiet nutritional deficiency hiding in your everyday diet? Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we explore the hidden biological signals your body sends to protect your health. If you've ever looked at your hairbrush and felt a moment of panic at the number of strands left behind, your body may be sending an early warning. Hair loss is rarely just about appearance. It often reflects deeper issues inside the body. When essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper run low, your body prioritizes vital organs, leaving hair follicles undernourished and weak. Over time, those follicles shrink, shedding increases, and growth slows down. But the good news is that nature provides powerful solutions. Today, we'll uncover 3 nutrient-dense super seeds that can nourish your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and help restore thicker, healthier hair from the inside out. Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we uncover the hidden biological secrets of your body to help you live a healthier life. Have you ever looked at your hairbrush in the morning and felt a sudden wave of panic, seeing all those strands? We often blame our genetics or simply getting older, but the truth is usually hiding right there on your dinner plate. Hair loss is rarely just a cosmetic issue. It is a loud signal from your body that something essential is missing. The primary culprit is often a silent deficiency in iron and key minerals that your hair needs desperately to survive every day. Think of your hair like a plant. If the soil is poor, the leaves will inevitably turn brown and fall off. Today we are going to explore 3 powerful super seeds that can revitalize your scalp and bring your hair back to life. Let us begin with the first powerhouse, the humble cashew, a nut that is often overlooked but packed with hair-saving nutrients. Cashews are not just a tasty snack. They are a biological weapon against hair thinning, loaded with essential iron and protein. Iron is the critical component of hemoglobin, the protein in your blood that carries oxygen to every single cell in your body. When your iron levels are low, your body prioritizes vital organs, leaving your hair follicles to starve and eventually fall out. By incorporating cashews into your daily diet, you are directly fueling the oxygen supply chain that keeps your hair roots alive. Beyond iron, cashews provide the protein building blocks necessary to construct the physical structure of every single strand of your hair. Without adequate protein, hair becomes brittle and snaps easily. But cashews help reinforce the shaft to prevent this common breakage issue. We must also mention vitamin E, a potent antioxidant found in cashews that protects your scalp from oxidative stress and damage. Vitamin E improves blood circulation specifically in the scalp area, ensuring that the nutrient-rich blood actually reaches the target destination. Just a small handful of these creamy nuts each day can make a significant difference in your long-term hair health journey. Now let us travel to the forest to discover our second miracle food, the small but incredibly potent pine nut. Pine nuts might be small, but they are dense with magnesium, a mineral that plays a surprising role in hair growth. Magnesium is essential for protein synthesis, the very process your body uses to create hair from the proteins you eat. One of the lesser-known causes of hair loss is the calcification of hair follicles, where calcium deposits harden and choke the root. The magnesium found in pine nuts acts as a natural calcium channel blocker, preventing this buildup and keeping the follicle flexible. Pine nuts are also a great source of zinc, which helps regulate oil production and calms inflammation that can damage hair roots. You can easily toast them lightly and sprinkle them over your salads or pasta to add a crunch and massive health benefits. Regular consumption helps ensure that the protein you eat is actually converted into hair, rather than being wasted by your body. By reducing inflammation and calcification, pine nuts help prolong the growth phase of your hair cycle, leading to significantly thicker tresses. Our third superfood is the colorful pistachio, a nut that brings a unique set of minerals to your hair care arsenal. Pistachios are incredibly rich in vitamin B6 and, crucially, copper, a trace mineral that is often missing from modern diets. Copper helps form the molecular bonds that give your hair its elasticity, allowing it to stretch and bend without snapping off. Perhaps most interestingly, copper is vital for the production of melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its rich, natural color. A deficiency in copper is one of the leading nutritional causes of premature graying, making pistachios a natural anti-aging remedy. The vitamin B6 in pistachios further supports the creation of red blood cells, doubling down on the oxygen delivery we discussed earlier. Snacking on pistachios is not just satisfying, it is a strategic move to maintain your hair's color, strength, and structural integrity. Together, these three nuts provide iron, protein, magnesium, zinc, copper, and vitamins, covering almost every nutritional base your hair requires. However, adding these superfoods to your diet will be completely useless if you do not eliminate the two enemies of hair. The first enemy is one that is likely in your kitchen right now: refined sugar, the sweet poison that kills hair follicles. Sugar causes a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to proteins and destroy the collagen that supports your hair follicles. High sugar intake spikes your insulin, which directly triggers the production of androgens, hormones that shrink hair follicles and cause shedding. Sugar is also highly inflammatory, creating a hostile environment on your scalp where healthy hair growth becomes almost impossible to sustain. Every time you indulge in excessive sweets, you are essentially feeding the inflammation that attacks the very roots of your hair. Insulin spikes from sugar accelerate the conversion of testosterone into DHT, the hormone responsible for male and female pattern baldness. Cutting sugar is the single most effective action you can take to stop the hormonal cascade that leads to hair loss. The second enemy is ultra-processed food, items that are engineered in factories rather than grown in nature's soil and sunlight. These foods are loaded with trans fats and chemicals that your body does not recognize as food, causing massive internal stress. Trans fats clog your cell membranes, making it difficult for the nutrients from the nuts to actually enter your hair cells. Processed foods also damage your gut health, and a damaged gut cannot absorb the iron and minerals your hair desperately needs. You are literally trading the long-term health of your hair for the short-term convenience of a processed, nutrient-empty meal. Returning to whole foods is not just a diet, it is a rescue mission for your hair follicles and overall vitality. To summarize, embrace cashews, pine nuts, and pistachios, while ruthlessly eliminating refined sugar and ultra-processed foods from your daily routine. It may take a few months to see the results, but the biology of your body will respond to this care. You will start to see baby hair sprouting, less shedding in the shower, and a return of your natural shine and volume. Share this knowledge with your friends and family, because hair health is a universal sign of internal well-being and nutritional balance. At Live Well Insights, we believe that nature provides the cure, and science provides the map to find it. Treat your body with respect, feed it the raw materials it needs, and it will reward you with strength and beauty. Start your journey today. Pick up a bag of these seeds and clear your pantry of the sugary snacks that harm you. Consistency is key. Hair grows slowly, but with the right fuel, it grows surely, strongly, and more beautifully than ever before. Don't let the myth of aging define you. Take control of your health and prove that vitality is possible at any age. Remember to also drink plenty of water to help transport these amazing nutrients to your scalp and flush out the toxins. Combine these dietary changes with light exercise to maximize blood flow, ensuring every nutrient reaches the very top of your head. What if the real cause of your hair thinning isn't aging or genetics, but a quiet nutritional deficiency hiding in your everyday diet? Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we explore the hidden biological signals your body sends to protect your health. If you've ever looked at your hairbrush and felt a moment of panic at the number of strands left behind, your body may be sending an early warning. Hair loss is rarely just about appearance. It often reflects deeper issues inside the body. When essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, zinc, and copper run low, your body prioritizes vital organs, leaving hair follicles undernourished and weak. Over time, those follicles shrink, shedding increases, and growth slows down. But the good news is that nature provides powerful solutions. Today, we'll uncover 3 nutrient-dense super seeds that can nourish your scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and help restore thicker, healthier hair from the inside out.